gadgets and uses in Thailand belong to the Western country. Nevertheless, Thai people maintain strong traditions and peculiarities, which make them unique and make Thailand a country of tolerance and hospitality. Everything seems to be permitted, but at the same time everything has rules, which belong to a very peculiar social discipline. This is Prapi Kanet, better known as Ganesha. He is one of the many gods form of the Hindu religion. He has an elephant head and the human body with 4 arms, which hold an axe, symbol of the rescission of the desires, a lasso, symbolic union to God's beatitude, a lotus flower, which is the symbol of the maximum perfection to which every being must aspire, and his broken tusk. Ganesha is the lord of the good auspice. To him one addresses to invoke wisdom and understanding. Under the noble light of the truth represented by the symbols, one humbly asks the good outcome for a ceremony, a test, a business or an examination. Theravada Buddhism is the Buddhism of the origin. The tolerance in general and in particular toward any belief, including the animism, the astrology and the superstition, is a direct consequence of the 4 cardinal virtues, which are the goodness without any reward, the compassion, the joy for others' welfare and the equanimity. Once a year, the king makes a symbolic offer to all religions in the nation, in the sake of the Buddhist knowledge that believing in the supernatural is common to people all over the world, who finds relief and consolation in it without any distinction of doctrines, dogmas and intolerances toward who doesn't practice the same belief.